In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text on Skype in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're catching up with old friends, staying in touch with family, or reaching out to someone for work, knowing how to send a text message through Skype can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make you a Skype messaging pro. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Skype website. You can do this easily by typing web.skype.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to Open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If it prompts you to sign in with your account, just enter your username and password. If you're new to Skype, you might need to take a moment to create an account, but don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're signed in and looking at the main Skype interface, you're ready for the next step. Near the top of the page, you should see several icons, but the one you're looking for is the dial pad icon. It's usually located right next to the search bar. Click on this icon to bring up the dial pad on your screen. This is where you'll enter the phone number of the person you wish to text. Now here comes the part where you put in the phone number. Be sure to include the correct country code if you're texting someone outside of your own country. It's a small detail, but crucial for ensuring your message finds its way to the right person. After you've entered the number, you're almost at the finish line. Look towards the lower left of your Skype window. You should see a button labeled Send SMS. That's your cue to click on it. Go ahead and compose your message. When you're satisfied with what you've written, hitting that button sends your text on its merry way to the recipient's phone. And there you have it. Texting on Skype is as simple as that. A couple of additional tips to keep in mind. Always double check the phone number before sending, and be aware that SMS messages may incur charges depending on your Skype credit balance and plan. It's always good to keep track of your usage, especially if you find yourself sending a lot of texts. Remember, Skype isn't just for video calls, it's a versatile tool that can help you stay connected in multiple ways. Now that you know how to send text messages, you've unlocked yet another dimension of communication through this powerful platform. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, don't hesitate to ask. Stay connected and happy texting.